Hey guys, Vikas here for your light electronic music tutorials episode 326. Yeah guys, this is 326 episode that I made where I actually make music in real time, which is quite uncommon for YouTube. I know guys like to arrange things, make it all flashy. For me, it's all in real time. I record everything and see the whole process. Sometimes it goes well. Actually, most of the time it goes very well because an idea that I have is interpreted. You know, sometimes it goes fast, sometimes it goes less quickly, but I always output something which I turn into a template, which is actually playing right now, and the link is below. So basically you can watch this tutorial, get the template if you want to really make this type of sound. So you're gonna have all the channels separated, you're gonna have like the presets of every single sound that I'm gonna make today. And of course, after I do this episode, I spend a whole lot of time in the studio here with the sub, with the sound treatment, with everything to make the track as good as I can. I think literally my 22 years of music experience, put it in every template so you get ultimate value for very little money. Free tutorial, you have to check it out in the link below. Anyway guys, today I'm gonna make some melodic house, 124 BPM. I get a chord progression loaded there, E major, a bit nostalgic, a bit like moody kind of thing. And like I said, chord progression, I have a kick drum loaded. Basically, I'm starting with you guys and I'm gonna make it happen. So let's get started, guys. Like I said, in 325, I just came back from a month and a half off, well, 6 weeks, which was quite good, but I also miss making music a lot, so I'm going all in for you guys. So it's gonna be shorter, to the point, and let's go. Like I said, moody, kind of. By the way guys, I don't know if you heard Anjunadeep 14, which just got out. 13 was, I would call it average at best, you know, because there's some tracks that were really not worthy of Anjunadeep. 14, they brought it back. What an excellent album. Listen to it while I run. Really special. So let's go in there. I think I'll cut a little bit the top here. I just want the pad kind of thing. I'm gonna just drop some very minimal percussions in there, like a very standard kind of thing. Nothing too special. Start the song. So this has to go a little bit higher. And look here where the root key is located. I think I'm a bit higher down here. I could also go in E with the key, but I think what I've done at least with the kick is I kept the original kick. Frequency, you can tune the drum, can tune everything, or try to use the drum to their best, which they were recorded low. So what I am doing now, it's another technique. I don't contradict myself, but there's different techniques that yield different results. So, okay, just drop a hi-hat in there. An open hat actually, because this kit open hat is the best hat in the whole of Logic sound, in my opinion. Oh, like this. I don't know if it's me, but this open hat, maybe it's reminding me of some souvenirs. Long souvenir from the 1990s race. I don't know. But just this, it's a good start to a track. So now, I'm taking a bass, and instead of playing a bass, I'll play some melodies a bit later, but for now I will draw a bass. And I'm thinking like drowny, like I'm thinking long, kind of, not this full length, but you know, some notes, not so many notes, I would say. So many keys hits, I mean. I don't know which, this is my melodic bass here that I actually kind of engineer myself. I did a lot of changes to the oscillators to bring it to actually a bass that plays very well with an arc. I think my release it integrates so well with the pad, it's like you can barely hear that there is separate sound here. Oh. drums, because the drums interact a lot with the elements. I like that it's not hitting exactly on time, but I'm not super sold. I think I'll turn on the ARP just for the fun of it, because I know that I can barely hear it yet. Definitely a groove in there. Let's look at what ARP is. It's pretty simple. Definitely more groove. So with, without. Yeah, definitely love the groove. So I like the pad. However, you know, I'm thinking already is it would be nicer to have some kind of a piano-y, kind of electric piano-y kind of thing. So in the pad I left the low end here. I don't really want to have the high, so I'm gonna take it. I want to cover the mid-lows with this. Not with this sound obviously, but either mallet-y or piano-y kind of. So it's very underwatery. Sidechain my bass here, compressor, use a signal from the kick of course, big difference immediately, we get more punch, I wanted more but I wanted less. I don't like to go above 5 dB of compression, depending on the sound, but for this I think we're good. It adds a bit of distortion, then we can lower the volume. Bring the pad back, but I don't think it's gonna bring it up, open it. We can see that. If we cut the lows, make sure we're not overflooding some frequency there. You can tell that this is the type of music I really enjoy doing guys. It's been a long time that I make melodic music, and finally in the last 3-4 years melodic has became like the thing. I do enjoy this. I think it needs a bit of sidechain too, so I'm going to take my sidechain, come here, drop it here. Oh, it didn't work. Take it here, drop it here. Now I can lower the volume a bit more. Next I'm going to add a few percussions in there. There's an interesting kind of block here. I think it would be nice like this, but with a delay, with a weird delay I would say. Let's see what is in the deep tech delay. I think I didn't. Deep Tech, +1 delay, and okay, now I think I get the wrong channel selected, so I'll go back, I'll do this here, try this one up. Definitely a plus, not a minus. I have a weird shaker which I don't like so much. This one is good. I'm gonna take it and get it, put it in the mix. With again the delay. Because without the delay there's not so much movement, it's very static. So with the delay, and here to the right side, more action. Actually I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna color region by track and then name the by track so we know what we were working on. For percussions, I think it's hard to I would say to mix. I think it took me, it's still, even today, mixing percussions is instinctive. Now I think I got it, but it took me many years to mix percussions probably to really put them in the right place in the mix. This is not so obvious. Try to put this in the mix here. It's a bit of an add-on on the last bit. Chorus here. I mean, we already have like a good ambience. I think what we need now is a melody. And if you know me in those shows, you know that I like to play the key and record some melodies. Does not always go well, guys. It's you know, when you do live, you don't know. First thing I always do, take a bus, send it to a reverb to give, you know, myself a bit of creative juice, you know, by having a reverb on the out, so I don't play it completely dry, you know, so it sounds more finished right away, so always help. Which sound is that? That's the bass. That's my melodic bass. Not what I'm looking for. A guitar could be interesting. Computer's a bit busy. Simple to start to input some data, I guess. And then analyze it. This one key that was not supposed to be there. Oh, it's acceptable for sure. A lot happened, of course, in the sound design and selection of the presets and stuff like that. It's not like a simple thing. Now, 2 minutes, guys, and then I will do that. Bit too much reverb, I think. bits, bring it back to the basics. I'd like to give it a try to do like more like a full-on kind of melodic bass kind of thing, just for the sake of doing kind of another version, maybe for another part of the track, you know, just to have alternatives. It's always interesting. Well, it's not a huge difference. Oh, I have shut down this one, sorry guys. I like that. Let's open the filter a little bit because we have a lot of juice here. A bit of an RP kind of feel. I think I have a... Yeah, they had to drop something in the background quickly. Going to do... I think MIDI effects. I'm going to do this simple ARP thing. Just leave it to basic. Put it in here. Go into the ARP here, or at least in this setting. Go into keys this time, or probably beats actually. Spacey. Kind of like this resonance. That mixed properly, guys. I think we have a pretty solid track in the making, guys. I'm gonna turn that into templates, guys, for Logic Pro X and FL Studio. Link's gonna be below. And until next time, guys, may the sounds be with you.